Hello and welcome back to my nail corner. Today I'm using Double Dip, Expensive Pink, and Bohemian Moon. This is the practice sheet that comes with City Girl decals, and I wanted to do some more decal wrap things, so I decided to use those because they're so darn pretty, and this Expensive Pink, when it came, I thought it would be a perfect match for those little hearts, so that's what we're going to do today. I am going to go into my basic dip application. I'm using Double Dip liquids. This is their base coat, which I've said before and I'll say again, I really like. This video was filmed a little bit ago, and since then they have transitioned their base and top. Both have those nice clear brushes. So big fan of those. Already liked liquids and was really happy to see the brush change. So as I go into this application, I just wanted to talk to you about a few things that are coming up. So if you haven't noticed already, maybe if you've been here for a while, you've noticed. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining us. Please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up if you like this content and would like to see more like it. I'm always open to comments, giving me suggestions for videos you would like to see, or maybe tutorials that you would like me to try. I am not a professional, I am not an expert, but I've done a lot of nails and am willing to learn new things if there's something that I haven't learned yet, and show you guys what I do learn through the process. So anyway, all that to say, if you've been here for a while, you might notice that I tend to do my regular uploads on Wednesday and Saturday. It's just the schedule that I started with and have stuck to for the past several months now. Wow, we're a couple months into this. Anyway, this week is going to look a little bit different. So this is uploading on Wednesday as per usual. But instead of a Saturday upload this week, I will be having a Friday upload. That Friday upload is my Halloween 13 collab video. There are 13 uber talented gals. I am super flattered to be counted among them for this collab. I'm just gonna do my thing and hope nobody notices that I'm not one of them. I mean, they're so good. So I hope you guys tune in on Friday to see my attempt at a Halloween mani, and then also check out the description box that day because I will list all of the other gals and their YouTube handles so you guys can go and check out their videos. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. I know at least a few of us are doing giveaways in our videos, so definitely consider watching those because you might learn a new trick or you might win a giveaway. So definitely check that out. So that's on Friday, and again, they start Thursday, so I will post the links on my, I will post in my Instagram stories each day, like whose video is up that day. So you could even check, well, I guess tomorrow, Thursday, is the 1st of October. So that's when the first video will be up. So anyway, stay tuned for those and we'll get you in the mood for some Halloween manis coming up later this month. So that's Friday. So I'm going to skip Saturday and then we'll go back into our Wednesday, Saturday routine. I might actually have a bonus little upload on Monday. It's just going to be a short video, but stay tuned for that because, yeah, I can't say anymore, but you won't want to miss it. So anyway, I'm going to continue with my application here. I ended up doing 3 dips in case you lost count. This is my 3rd dip of that pink. It is a little bit sheer, so I wanted to get closer to opaque, so I did a 3rd dip in that color instead of doing a 3rd dip being clear. I felt safe that I could buff this and it would be okay. So I did 3 dips in this pink and then I do 2 in the Bohemian Moon. The Bohemian Moon is like a super, super light pink, almost white. And I think most decals are recommended to have a really light color underneath. So white or something close to it is best underneath a decal. So yeah, Expensive Pink, great color, by the way, if you guys are looking for a good like medium mauve-y pink. I really, really liked it. And it is available individually on the website, it's doubledipstore.com. And also it comes in their fall collection. So their fall kit is, I think 6 colors, and this is one of them. So consider taking a look at that. Their kits are awesome prices, and they come with like 6 dips, the whole liquid set, extra like dusting brush and then extra brushes and orange wood sticks and all those things to go. And they come in this cute little holographic bag. So definitely consider a kit if you're like, I really like 2 of these colors and I need liquids. Like, it's like the greatest bang for your buck. And also don't forget to use Kate25 because that'll get you 25% off the already listed price, even sale prices. So super good deal. I mean, I think the French kit I got was like $33 in the end for 6 colors and all the liquids and everything. So anyway, I am going to be quiet for a minute, finish this dip process, and then come back and talk about nail wraps. So hang in there. Thanks for listening to me chat. Right, so I have filed and buffed off camera, and now I cut out the decal to basically the size of my nail. It's basically the size that it is in print, so I didn't really have to trim the sides very much. And then you want to submerge it in water. It doesn't really have to be in there very long, but I tend to just put it in there, then apply my gel base, and then come back for it. So gel base is great under these Waterslide decals because after you cure gel base, just do like a flash cure. So it only needs 10 or so seconds. It keeps it a little tacky, so it allows you to kind of still move around the Waterslide decal a little bit, but then it still kind of stays in place, if that makes sense. It's just the right amount of tacky. So when you pull it out, it'll slide right off of the backing. I was like, oops, it kind of curled up on me when I pulled it off the backing. This happens, it's fine. I just laid it down on the paper towel and gently maneuvered it around until I got it flat. So you'll see me fuss with it for a minute here. This tool I have is a silicone tipped tool. I think that's all it's called. It comes in like a set on Amazon of like 6 different shape tools. They're coming in pretty handy. So if you're gonna work with Waterslide decals or gel or a number of different things, I recommend these. They're pretty great. So I just kind of used the tip of that because it's soft silicone and I knew I wasn't going to tear the decal, to just kind of get it flat. So that's that. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description box to those silicone tools because they are pretty handy. And then once I got it flat, and because I was moving it around on a paper towel, it pretty much dried it off. If not, like, you might want to pat it a little bit with a paper towel just to get the water off. And then you just lay it on your nail. So you're gonna watch me try to line up the cuticle line fairly well because that's just kind of your base. So if you get the cuticle edge lined up where you want it, then you're just kind of pushing it down around the edges to your sidewalls. And again, like, you can kind of zhuzh it a little bit to the sides after you get it on there, but the gel base holds it pretty well, so you can kind of push on it and maneuver it. And then again, that silicone tool comes in handy to just kind of caress those edges into place without tearing them or ruining the design on the decal, because I was kind of rough with the plaid ones that I did, and it just showed. It made them look kind of weathered, but this is just a really nice gentle way to just smooth out the wrinkles and whatnot. So after you're satisfied with where you have it, I also recommend when you apply your gel base to apply it around the tip of your nail. Just make sure you cap that edge really well. And then you wrap the decal down around your free edge there. And then you pop your hand back in the lamp. So you finish curing the base coat basically through the decal, if that makes sense. And then that makes it stick really well to your nail because you've just finished curing that base. So it makes that, I just said that base and it made me think of that Meghan Trainor song. Anyway, so now that that's cured, I go ahead and use top coat to seal it in. So I'm going to apply my top coat and then cure it, and then you'll see me tear off that excess of the decal that is wrapped around the underside, because once you put the top coat on, it's like a hard candy shell and it just seals that in. So make sure when you apply your top coat, you also cap that free edge because you're sealing in that wrapped edge. And you'll see when I pull it out, it looks really cool when you have it wrapped around the edge like that, because it literally wraps around the free edge of your nail. And like I said, I think it looks really cool. So anyway, I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts. Right, so we are top coated and good to go. I am applying, as per usual, my Candi Skincare Cuticle Candi for hydrated cuticles to keep them healthy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something new. I really enjoyed the look of this mani. It was super girly and delicate, and I had a much better feel for the nail wrap application, and am loving them. So I will see you guys in my next vid. Bye now.